Welcome everyone, I'm Winifred Boyd. Welcome to this week's Qigong brought to you by the Port Washington Public Library. Today we're in the great outdoors. You can join me in the great outdoors if you like. Please make sure you dress appropriately. You dress warm enough, dress in layers. Make sure you have a bottle of water with you. Make sure you have water with you anytime that you're outdoors. And obviously you can do this inside as well, but a little bit of a change of pace here. So let's get started. Let's start with some waterfalls. Breathe in. And again, this is one version of a waterfall. There are several that are out there, actually quite a few. Breathing in and exhaling. This is a great way of centering and refocusing your energy, just kind of cleaning away the stress of the day, the stress of the year, the month. And just put that out, and then scoop up fresh energy from the earth, from Mother Earth, and bring that down, exhaling as you go down. You can do a free breath, no breath as it's also called sometimes, just breathing naturally, or you can follow your hand movements to your breath. So this downward movement would be an exhale. And then we'll put that out. Breathe in. And exhale. Good. If you want, breathing in, if you want at the top, hold your breath for a second and then move downward and exhale. So let's do that again. Breathing in, bringing that energy up, drawing the heavens energy down, and cleaning out the body and pushing that out and breathing in. Hold your breath for a moment and then exhale. Good. And if you can't reach all the way down to the ground, just reach as far as you can. So for example, if this is as far as you can go, that's fine. This is all about what you can do and working with yourself, not working against anybody else, and just taking your time about building your own body, your own health and sense of awareness and relaxation. So I'm turning my foot out here, my left foot slightly to my left. I'm putting my left hand out, and we're going to draw that energy up, breathing in, and then we're going to circle. And we're going to wash. Okay, and then we're going to switch sides. Breathing in and turn. Good. Exhaling as you're doing this. Good. And then switch sides again. Breathing in. We're going to go around the face 3 times. And down the arm, bring that energy down, and then wash the hand. And then we're going to switch sides again, bringing that energy up 3 times. Good. And then run that energy down, out through the arm, and wash. Good. I'm going to do a couple more, breathing in. This time we're going to pass the face once, but we're going to wash the hand 3 times. Pulling that out. And then switching sides, breathing in, and exhale. Good. Two more on each side. 3, and breathing in and across. Last one. Good. And then we're going to come back to center and we're going to do waterfall again. And yeah. Good. We're not going to go so far this time. Breathing in, bringing that energy down. Good. One more. Breathing in, Hold your breath a second and then allow it to drop. Pushing that energy down and through. Okay, stamp that out a little bit. Stamp your feet, shake your hands, raise those hands up. And then allow them to drop. Shake them down here. I'm shaking my feet at the same time. You can do it separately. And up and down. Just getting that energy moving. Okay. I'm taking a little bit of a horse stance here. Those that can't see, you can see my back is straight, my pelvis is tucked under, and my knees are slightly bent. You can stand this high if you'd like, or you can stand deeper. What I'm doing is I'm taking the back of my hands, putting them together, so your thumbs are facing towards you. Okay? So what we're doing is we're doing the flowering rose, so we're going to draw those thumbs up the midline at the heart. We're going to turn, so now palms face palms, touching the heart and raising up. Good. And down, drawing up, back of hands to back of hands, turn the hands palm, touch the heart, rise up, and back down. Back of the hands to the back of the hands, drawing the thumbs up the midline, turn the hands palm to palm, and up. Good. And down, and up, and out. Good. Back of the hands, dipping down, pulling up that energy, like a little sticky, like honey. Turn those hands, touch the heart, raising up, and then settling back down again. A couple more. Back of the hands to the back of the hands. Touch the heart, and up, and back down. Breathing in. Yep, on one breath in, exhale. Good, as you settle back down, breathing in. Exhale. Breathing in, pulling through that honey, touching the heart. Up. Couple more. I know I promised only a few more before, but let's do a couple more for breath. And out. Good. And breathing in, turning the hands, touch the heart, up and out, and down, and up. This gets all of that energy pumping, and the blood moving. Breathing in, last one, palm to palm, and exhale on the way down. Good. And reverse. You can change your footing and waterfall. Good. Try to slow it down. Try to imagine or feel that energy coming down.